Welcome to the amazing animals. So, we're headed to start with the farm animals. So, let's watch the video, shall we? Oh, I see that coming. Animals, come and go! Oh, it's the amazing animals. Farm animals! That's right.
Hey, I can't wait to watch this one.
Amazing farm animals.
We're going on a farm.
Having a day in the countryside, Henry?
Because everything's all about that farm.
Look after his farm animals while he's away.
I knew cows can do that.
Well, with one. Henry, that's a cow. How can you look after farm animals when you can't even recognize one? Excuse me. I know a farm animal when I see one.
You know what? It's a sheep.
Animals you can cut and keep.
I know about sheep.
Wait, Henry. They're sheep and they're
No, they're
working
not
on
sheep.
candy.
But sheep is without an
So
S.
out of season.
Oh,
Get your money back on those coats, guys. Buy them. It's their own fur. Yeah, sure. You can't pull the wool over my eyes. Whoops.
The sheep?
Don't you recognize me? Yeah.
Boy, am I looking forward to a quiet break.
Farm
What's
animals.
all the noise? It's the chickens, Henry. It must be feeding time.
It's a chicken. Just like me.
I know. I have to find someone to teach me the banjo. First, you better make sure all your farm animals are fed, healthy, and safe from harm. Who, me? Yes, you. That's a
I
farmer's
knew
job.
about this one.
What do you call a farmhand who looks after the cows? Cowboy? You're right. So how come I
Cowboys.
boy?
Yeehaw.
Or a turkey boy?
What's happening in my news?
Or a sheep boy? Who looks after those animals? A shepherd, of course. Yeah, but who's ever heard of a duck herd, huh? Farmers don't just keep cows and sheep. All over the world, from the Sahara Desert to South America, animals are kept for their wool, milk, eggs, and meat. Did you say meat or wheat? Farmers need to grow
The
foods, too.
meeting.
There's a lot of work on a farm, Henry. Great.
The lizards. Coming through. The egg's about to hatch.
Sorry, you made a mention about a dinosaur before. I mean, what's this? Good advertising. It's a big chicken. I knew it's a big chicken. That's the biggest bird.
Still think you're on your vacation,
Not
Henry?
exactly.
I'm keeping a close eye on the cows. And catching some rays at the same time. What the? Hey! Get out of my sun! Oh, so you want to play, huh? Okay.
Realistic cow.
Henry, it's not a dog.
I am a cow.
I know
Moo!
that. Cow doesn't seem to. Henry, cows aren't pets.
Good tricky ones, too.
It's a cow if you can't play with it. Okay, team, listen up. You block, you go long, and you get me some ice cream. 52, 49, 99. Hup, hup. Hey, they're not hopping. Come on, guys, it's easy. I really don't think they want to play, Henry.
I don't think there might be a cow or anything.
Okay, let's go, guys.
Kickball?
Nice save, cow. Bull, Henry. But it was a nice save. This is bad, isn't it?
I think it's a bull.
Lesson number 1 in farming, Henry. How to tell the cows from the bulls. Couldn't you have told me earlier? Bulls are male. Cows are female. They have udders between their legs. This is utter madness. What are those guys doing? Milking the cows. These Frisian cows can each produce around 100 glasses of milk every day. That's amazing. Yep. Just think of all the cookies you'd need to eat. People once milked all cows by hand, but modern dairy farms have machines that do the job for them. One less chore for me. Hey, is that comfortable for the cows? Having full udders is very uncomfortable, so the cows are glad to be milked. From moo-moo to tum-tum, people on farms must drink the freshest milk ever. Delicious and good for you. So is it true that chocolate milk comes from chocolate cows? Sorry, Henry. Cow's milk only comes in one flavor, but all female mammals produce milk. Handy when there's no cows around.
Cows?
Nomadic people are always on the move. Their horses
You
are
heard
essential
about
for
this
riding,
one, huh?
carrying their tents, and for milk. Excuse me. Is that straight from the horse's mouth? No, it comes out the other end, actually. Very funny. So where does she keep her milking machine? At the end of her arms. What? She milks the mares, that's the female horses, by hand. Horses don't produce as much milk as cows.
Oh.
Making mares' milk a valuable food source in the
I'm a
horse
pony!
Locals even offer some to the
I
spirits
really
that
love
slide
horses.
underground.
Boy, you love this one.
Me any horsey milk, you know what I'd say? What? Nay!
Nay! Nay! Nay!
Okay, so which one is a banana? Nothing seems different. Is there a door on this restaurant?
Cows eat banana? Banana juice? Ew, wait.
Okay, you sheep. Make your way to the gate. Single file, please. Hey, you! No butting in! What are you doing, Henry? Shh! Can't you see I'm in the middle of something? So I see. You're trying to herd the sheep, huh? I don't think they herd anything. No, herding sheep. Farmers do.
Herding the sheep? I think it
A
is.
sheepdog.
I really love this sheep, are you?
Sheep are afraid of dogs, so a trained sheepdog can easily herd sheep with instructions from the farmer.
I'm afraid of the sheep.
Hey, that's no sheepdog. No, he's my sheep crab. Left a bit, right, no left. Roll! Use your claws.
I think it's a crab. Gobba
Go,
gobba.
go, go.
Run away! Run away, sheep! Run away!
Nice work.
Just snap to my crabs!
Get him.
The door is closed. The gate.
Except what? Isn't it the sheep who are supposed to be in the pen? Huh? Oh no. Tuesday!
Looks like it's out of my
I guess
control.
That's farming lesson number 2, Henry. Why round them up anyway? For shearing. Excuse me? Shearing. Every spring, sheep have their long winter growth of wool cut off.
Oh, you sheared the wool,
Short
huh?
at the back, longer on top. Sorry to
I
keep you
think
waiting,
I
sir. Here,
need
but
a
The
shave.
sheepdog is on hand to make sure that nobody runs away.
I'm a dog. I'm a dog, I'm a dog, I'm a dog. Oh man, I'm not afraid of the sheep,
Sheep
are
are some of
you?
the most obedient farm animals around. And they're glad to get rid of their hot winter wool as summer approaches.
I see
Besides,
coming.
it's going to
I see coming!
Let me guess. Belly button fluff? No.
Whoa!
I know. Wait. Vegetarian sausage stuffing. I don't think so.
There's just a wool.
No, Henry. Don't be so ridiculous. I know.
You made it!
It's spun into thread, and that gets woven into cloth. It's the stuff that makes my grandpa's underwear scratchy. It's what Aunt Helen knits me a sweater out of every Christmas.
Oh, yeah.
Mom sucks.
Wait, you're not till Christmas, are you?
Wool in summer. Wool is everywhere.
Summer is good!
Pretty colors.
Wow, 10 points, Henry. So what do you
I
think's
think I
happening
have
here?
one.
Feeding time at Caterpillar Ranch?
They're called silkworms, but you're right. Really, they're caterpillars.
Told you.
They're spinning cocoons.
Oh,
where
they're
they
teeny
normally
tiny, the
transform into a
worm.
longer
I mean, that
butterfly in the
caterpillar
wild.
thing.
But on a silk farm, the cocoons are unwound again.
Just like the sheep's wool.
The tiny
Yes! I really love this one, too. I knew about this one.
Is that what her shoes are made of?
and her skirt and her scarf.
I hope it isn't as scratchy as my wool sweater.
It's a clothing.
Hardly, Henry.
For
It's as
fashion.
smooth as silk.
Nice.
Wowee.
Girls do.
Imagine me as a ballerina in the Nutcracker. I can dance on my tippy toes, and I've got a cute ballerina.
You're gonna be a ballerina or what?
I think your nut has finally cracked.
Did I hear say something? It's a sheep. I think it's sort of like 3 shirts.
Good clothing, chicks. Don't be such in a hurry, Wool. Is this a wool? Looks nice. Oh, the chicken.
Henry, it's time for your report on unusual farm animals.
What? Now?
Yes, now.
Out of my way! You're the lizard coming through! Tonight, leopard spotted sleeping on the job. And tent-making bats. An undercover report.
It's a news. Breaking news. The newspaper.
But now, our top story. Farmers suspected of hatching secret plan. Mysterious farm activity has been reported from several barns. It's believed that giant chickens are being raised in hidden locations around the world. At night, huge
A giant chicken? Baga. I really love the chickens. Baga.
loud clucking noises kept them awake. And other farm animals were moved to new pastures to make room for the giant birds. These migrated
It's
to
Sis's dream story.
goats headed for the hills, but the sheep weren't bothered at all. Witnesses claim the monster fowl have tall legs, fluffy feathers, and a head the size of a football. If you ask me, I think the whole conspiracy is just a big
What?
joke.
An imagination.
Didn't they
I,
both?
I think
You
it
couldn't
is.
even give it away, Henry.
Rats.
Although there may be a tiny bit of truth buried in there somewhere.
Aha! So there is something they've buried down on the farm. I knew it. It's not all fluffy little lambs and cozy, comfy cows, is it? Is it? What's the secret behind the barn door which no one dares tell? What ginormous two-toed creatures are waiting to attack? Could they be a flock of dinosaurs? Welcome.
Ostrich?
They're coming.
Ostriches?
Calm down, Henry. These are ostriches, not dinosaurs.
Not dinosaurs?
Oh my.
For farmers, these huge flightless birds are a big source of low-fat meat.
I wouldn't want to meet one. Not with a kick like that.
Those powerful legs make them the fastest bird in the world, and all that running keeps them lean.
Wow. I knew
Ostrich
about this
farms were
one.
actually created to supply giant fluffy feathers. Ostrich feather hats were once a popular fashion item.
That's indeed.
They're now big business. There are more farmed ostriches worldwide than wild ones in their native Africa.
I still think farms are for chickens.
Even the humble chicken was
I
once
don't
a
think
wild
my
bird of the
is.
jungle.
So it's gonna be tricky unless they try.
I can't see it somehow.
Move over something. It's a rabbit. I think it might be a bunny.
Giving up on farming animals, Henry?
Yeah, vegetables are much easier to look after. If I could just get... this
Are you still stuck?
I don't think so, Henry. It looks like somebody's trying to steal it.
Oh my goodness. Nobody mentioned me? Underground.
I found my carrot. Ooh, and a cute bunny rabbit. Did you see who tried to take it?
Henry, I think you found your thief.
What do you mean? No way, not the rabbit.
You may think that he's cute, but to most farmers, he's a
I knew
pest.
about the rabbits. You had long ears. They live in the
So
underground.
what's this?
That's no pest, it's a mole.
But to farmers, all their tunneling under fields can damage crops.
The mole doesn't mean any harm.
Of course not. All animals are just trying to survive, but sometimes they come into conflict with humans. Take this
The
hungry
bear?
spectacled bear.
I think it might be a bear. It's a wild animal.
Bears love to eat grapes, guavas, and avocados, but this one's found a convenient field of corn.
You call it corn.
I want to see
Farmers
that.
call it
I want to see that. See that.
Farmers call it
Not even
stealing
think
crops,
about it. That's
which
very
makes the
true.
bear a pest.
She's not the only one eating it.
True, but a spectacled bear can do a lot of damage. They're the biggest mammal on the continent.
I guess you'd say she's making a spectacle of herself. But
What?
you need glasses to see that there
What
are
a
lots
horrible
of
mentioning it
space
is.
field.
The bear's name
Don't
comes
even
from the
think
yellow
about those
rings
hot
around their eyes.
spots.
Some people think they look like glasses.
And there she goes, an amazing animal.
Well,
Henry, talk about a corny joke.
a corn? Yeah, it's a corn. Ooh, what is this?
I was a farmer. God. Somebody packing the seeds. Wait till to see the next one.
I think I hear something. It's a flower monster! Oh, man. Never heard about this one.
Okay, no pesky pests are getting any of my corn.
Oh no? And just how are you going to stop them?
With this. The ultimate scarecrow. The Furminator.
The Furminator?
Pretty scary.
It's sort of like a machine.
Listen.
Wow, it dries your laundry. But it hasn't scared that crow off.
I ain't finished yet.
So now the crow can see the corn better.
Not for long. Watch this. See? I told you it would work.
Still broken.
Well, Henry, that's one way to stop pests eating crops. Get rid of the crops.
Maybe it needs a few modifications.
Maybe what you need, Henry, is a big goose.
Excuse me?
Down on the farm, geese do a great job of scaring off unwanted animals and keeping others in line.
Why?
Geese
You
see all
made me a
strangers as
goose,
possible
goose.
threat, so they act
Oh, I
like
told you
guards
before
patrolling the
that.
farmyard.
Guard geese? Here, boy.
You mean duck, goose.
Hey, where did
That's what I ever said.
Steering
Duck,
clear.
duck,
He knows
goose.
those powerful wings can really hurt
I
you
really
if you
love
get
this
wet.
game.
Oh, well.
Duck, 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 goose!
Uh-oh. Here comes the patrol again. Can't you guys give it a break? How am I gonna make friends on the
I
farm?
think I heard a cat.
Wait for you to fly
Run away, kitty cat!
Chance of that, Henry.
for the goose is good for the gecko.
Paka?
Something.
Protection is a matter of
Oh man, I really have a spot
defend
now.
themselves from wild predators.
Time for some chickadees.
Fish. And lambs are bashful.
And llamas are top dogs at guarding sheep.
Say, llamas. I had a llama dolly when I was a
I've
kid.
never seen a llama.
Yeah, get it? A dolly llama?
I need.
Fox, call the police, the fire department, call the llama squad. It's an emergency. I see it.
Thanks to the llamas, so did the sheep.
I knew about a fox. Huh? You run away with you llamas.
No lamb chops for you, Foxy. Lucky those llamas were there.
It is them. Their guarding skills
I think I need a sheep. I really love a sheep.
once wandered into a sheep field by mistake. Farmers realized the long-necked llamas could spot predators before the sheep would, and the llamas were happy to live alongside their fellow grazers.
That is amazing. Well, to the little lammies, they're heroes. And to me, they're perfect.
For what?
Wow.
For looking after the farm.
I knew about the farm, don't you? I go long-legged animal like that.
And now, ladies and gentle lizards, it's time for a Henry's Amazing Golden Gecko Awards.
What a good memory, huh?
Amazing farm animal are... In third place, silkworms. Those little guys of the farm who have expensive taste in clothes. My kind of caterpillar.
I think this is it.
In second place, the spectacle bear.
The bear.
Bear to lose. Talk about being...
You know why?
But tonight's Golden Gecko Award, plus a matching set of steak knives, goes to the cows.
Moo! I really love the cow.
All cattle kind.
I really love this one. Paka!
Cows and their relatives cover our planet in their millions. They live on farms and provide us with milk, meat, and even something to shovel onto the floor.
I think I know
There's
me
the Welsh
that.
cattle. It's got a superb set of horns.
That's such a farm animal, you know.
Harsh Scottish winters. Then there's the yak, a close cow relative from the mountains of Central Asia. They can survive even worse conditions thanks to a furry muzzle, a furry
Okay.
neck, furry
Now
everything,
that's some very
except
furry
for horns, of
details,
course.
huh?
So if you're feeling low,
I really love this one.
and call a yak. That's what they'll do. Yak, 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 yak.
Yakety yak yak yaky yourself.
American buffalo.
Oh,
Strong,
thank you.
silent type.
Don't mention
Biggest
me.
land animal in North America. And all that hair on the front end makes them look even bigger and keeps them warm in winter. So, hey, all you cows out there, we think you're golden gecko.
I think I really love these cows. Oh, what I could do? The farm animals.
What?
Time to get up, Henry. There's work to do.
I think I need work to do.
Did it yesterday.
Unless they try something
You
new.
have to do it all over again. That's how it is with farms, Henry.
Oh, no. Is there no rest for the lizard? Easy for you to say. All you have to do is make a noise. You don't even have to get your own breakfast.
How do I make
Be such a
noise?
grouch, Henry. Without farm animals producing eggs, milk, and bacon, not to mention the cereals grown on farms, you wouldn't have any breakfast.
Maybe I'll just stick to juice.
Even the fruit for juice is grown on farms, Henry.
Oh, tough ones.
I'm sorry, Henry. You gotta work hard when you're looking after amazing farm animals.
Come on, Tuesday. Wait till I see my uncle. Boy, am I gonna tell him a thing or two about what I...
Well, that's about it. So thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time on The Amazing Animals.